This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable startup apps in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable startup apps, I'm going to show you two different methods to doing that. The first method, probably the easiest, you want to go down to your taskbar, down to an empty area of your taskbar. You want to right click on the taskbar. Then you'll go up to where it says Task Manager and click on Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, you want to go off to the pane on the left-hand side. You want to go down to where it says Startup Apps. You want to click on Startup Apps. And then you can scroll down through these. It lists all of your startup apps. And here it says their status. It says whether they're disabled or if they're enabled. If one's enabled, you want to disable it, you just right click on it. And I would click on disable if I wanted to disable that one. If I wanted to enable one that's disabled, I would right click on it and I would click on enable. Another way you can enable or disable startup apps is within settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to go up to where it says settings and I'm going to click on settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on apps. And then in the center pane, I'm going to go down to where it says startup. I'm going to click on startup. And this will list all of your startup apps. And there is a toggle on this to turn on or off each individual app. That is how to enable or disable startup apps in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.